Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Apple ID on the device you plan to use. This ensures the credit goes to the right account. Next, reveal the 16-digit Apple gift card code. Either scan it with your camera or type it in manually. The camera is faster and reduces typos. Once done, confirm your App Store country matches the card's region because Apple locks gift cards to specific regions. This avoids redemption errors and lost funds. You now apply the credit directly to your Apple ID so Apple Music can use it. Open the App Store, tap your profile, and choose Redeem Gift Card or Code. Alternatively, open Apple Music and redeem from your account settings. When you redeem, the amount goes to your Apple ID balance. This is important because Apple Music subscriptions will draw from that balance first, which prevents unexpected charges to your payment method. Make sure you redeem the full card value to cover upcoming subscription cycles. You finish by confirming that Apple Music recognizes the credit and that your subscription is active. Go to Settings, tap your name, then Subscriptions to verify. If the redemption fails, make sure the code was entered correctly, the card's region matches your Apple ID, and Apple's system status isn't down. These are the most common causes. If problems persist, contact Apple support with the receipt and the card code so they can trace the transaction and apply the balance for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.